Hello, welcome to Fuller's Knowledge Doubling Curve by Nathan Pease. So, Buckminster Fuller was an American architect and futurist born in 1895 and lived until 1983. He developed around 25 U.S. patents, and he was the inventor of the popular geodesic dome. Here's a quote on the side saying, "There is nothing in a caterpillar that tells you it's going to be a butterfly." I thought that was a beautiful quote by Buckminster. So, although Fuller never graduated from college, he was awarded nearly 50 honorary doctorates for his work in science and the humanities. The influence of Fuller's message is felt throughout time as we see one of his models become more than true. The model, of course, I'm referring to is the knowledge curve. So, in his book Critical Path from 1981, Fuller's curve explains the rate humans accumulate knowledge throughout time is exponential. As you can see, in 1900, it doubles every century to now 2020. It's predicted that we're doubling every 11 to 12 hours. So, here's a little, visual to see how Fuller's curve works in action. So as you can see, 1900, 1945, and in 2020, modern civilization looks very different. So, while analyzing the curve, you can analyze some thresholds that we, as a species, had to cross. For example, the invention of language, writing, the printing press, and the World Wide Web were all positive thresholds we broke. For human knowledge to be erased, negative large events must take place. For example, nuclear war, asteroid extinction, and disease. So, moving forward, with human knowledge doubling every 12 hours, the challenge is in the education of future generations. Every nation must be competitive with each other and update their curriculum standards and strategies to engage their people. I think this is probably the main problem that's going on in America right now. We don't know how to engage our young ones. So if a nation develops a technology that allows them to expand their knowledge at a faster rate than others, they can use that to their advantage. Eventually, human knowledge will reach a zenith point and spawn general artificial intelligence as a tool to help bridge the gap between humans and superior intelligent machines. Here are my references, and thank you.